Hi, Cyber Sisters and Misters.
You want to watch me go from basic to Soleil on my natural virgin 4C hair? Then stay with me.
Welcome back to my channel. Today is Wash and Style Day.
Subscribe.
I have had my hair in a protective style for the last 4 days now, and it's time to take it down. So let's see what I've got. The style that I had was a protective style minus the top. I used perm rods here in the top of my hair. The rest of my hair was completely protected from the elements. My hair has been on vacation, and meanwhile, I'm in vacation mode. In a week, I am going to Jamaica. There's about 20 of us going. I'm really excited to spend some time with my sisters. I'm excited to spend time with my husband, away from the kids for a while. It's so needed. This vacation is so needed. All of my sisters aren't going. That's a bummer. I really, really wish they could have made this trip also. But hey, I understand. We're all busy, all professional people, and that's how it goes. This style that I'm taking down now is also on my channel. I'll list it in the cards. I'm gonna do a protein treatment on my hair. Take the precautions to catch any drippage that may fall down. I just outline the section and it really runs down. So of course the only manipulations that I'm doing to my hair is before this product starts to set, and that's just to get it moving on every strand. Other than that, it's a no-no. Don't do it. You will lose a lot of hair. I'm going to get under my dryer for about 30 minutes. I'm not going to touch my hair while I'm under the dryer. You should not ever put your hands in your hair while you have treatments on your hair because it disturbs the process, especially with this particular treatment. But it's hot under here and I only have it on warm. It's so hard for me not to touch my hair. And I think I've had enough, so I'm going to rinse my hair and I'll be back in just a moment. After I rinsed the conditioner out of my hair, I decided to do the LCO method to moisturize my hair. So the LCO method just helps to replenish moistures. I have already started prepping my hair for this style. I sectioned my hair, I detangled with a wide tooth comb. I'm going in with the Cantu thermal spray, heat protectant, 1, 2, 3, and I spray my hand with it. I just run my hands through my hair to get all the products distributed. And I especially want to protect my hair from the heat of the blow dryer. Just a regular 2-strand twist. I'm doing it tight though, because I do want to get a little definition while I am blow drying my hair. Of course, I'm not twisting it all the way to the end. I want to keep my natural texture on the end. And I'm using the Conair 1875 styler. This is my backup blow dryer, and I'm using it on the low setting, and I am bunching my ends in my hands. I really don't want them straight. This heat feels so good, guys. It's gotten cold outside, or cool for Texas. Seriously, guys, one day it was like 95 degrees. 2 days later, it was 48 freaking degrees. We were not prepared. I was at work shivering. I didn't have my jacket. I packed it away somewhere. And of course, in my police uniform, I can't just throw on any old jacket. It has to have the department patch on it. So I was freezing, okay? This is actually just stretching the roots of my hair. Oh, this heat feels so good, guys. Temporary hair color, and just read the name. I'm not butchering that name again. I tried that the last time, so no. Whatever this says, that's what it is. I'm gonna use a little of this on my end. Oh, now I'm going to take these rubber bands off the tips. All right, now I'll take these down. And my hair is still damp. Actually, some of these are significantly wet. So I'm gonna do this hack, putting a stocking over your dryer. Jumbo rubber band. Pull it over because you don't want the vents of your dryer to be covered. You want these to be totally open and exposed. See? If this will keep it from blowing all over the place, you will get the heat, but you won't get all that extra frizz. This kind of works similar to a diffuser, where it dries the hair from the inside out versus the outside in. All right, enough. So now I'm going to separate the twist further. Just want to separate before I pick through it. My husband says he is ready to go. And guess what? I said I'm glad I got a car. See you later. Here's the final look. Natural. Not a lot of work, not a lot of effort, but I like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye. I gotta go, so I'll see y'all later because my husband's getting ready to leave me. Bye. And there he is.
Click for another sassy, classy hair tutorial or a session of Sunkissed.